Hello students, in this lecture we will study about the color coding of carbon resistances which are used in different types of electronic circuits. And these carbon resistance has got two ends. This is the first end and this is second end, and between these two ends there is a cylindrical shaped resistance which has got different colorful bands on it, and according to the standard set by International System of Units, this every color has got its unique number, and based on that unique number we are able to find out the value of the carbon resistance. As you all know, the unit of resistance is ohm. So after finding out the value of carbon resistance, we will use the unit of resistance as ohm only. So let's start. See, this is a table in which there are three bands: first band, second band, third band, and the last band is the band of tolerance. And we are not saying the word band for it because there should be some difference between these three bands and the last band. The last band is for tolerance, that's why this is not said to be band, but in reality it is like all the three bands. So let's start. This black color, suppose this any of band, it is not necessary that black color should be the first band. So for black color the value is 0, for brown 1, red 2, orange 3, yellow 4, green 5, blue 6, violet 7, gray 8, white 9. So these are the values of different colors, and these values are in the increasing order of the numbers 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 up to 9. So to make you learn about the color and its value, there is a code which we will use. That code is BB Roy of Great Britain has very good wife. So B means black, another B means brown, ROY, R means red, O means orange, Y means yellow. Of, there is no meaning of off, it is just used to make the sentence. So after that, great, G is useful for us, so it means green. Britain, B is useful, B means blue. Has, very, V is useful, V means violet. Good, G is useful, gray. And wife, W is useful, white. So here you have to remember the sequence. The first B is for black, second B is for brown, and the third B is for blue, because there should not be any confusion between these three B. Otherwise your answer will be wrong. Now we have learned about the first and second band. Means if in a resistor first two bands have got any color, then according to that band we will keep the value of the color as given in the table. Suppose the value of color A, is small a, suppose, and the value of color B is small b, then it will be written as AB. And now third band is the multiplier. Multiplier means whatever we have written from 0 to 9, they should be written in the form of 10 to power, that is it will start from 10 to power 0 and end at 10 to power 9. So this will be the third band. So we can say that third band is the multiplier band. Means we will multiply this with the third band. There should be the sign of multiplication. And now fourth band is the band of tolerance. So for tolerance, in each and every resistor we will find either gold or silver as fourth color, gold or silver. So for gold, if there is gold, then that indicate the multiplier 10 to power minus 1, and for silver it is 10 to power minus 2, and with the tolerance plus minus 5% for gold and plus minus 10% for silver. Now this will be A B into C plus minus D. Plus minus D means with C you have to add the tolerance according to this gold or silver. And suppose in any of the resistor, if you have got only 3 color band, means first, second and third band, and there is absence of fourth band or tolerance band, then we can consider it as no color of the fourth band. So for this, the tolerance is taken as plus minus 20%. This you have to remember. In case of no color of the fourth band, means if the fourth band is absent, then the tolerance of that resistor will be plus minus 20%. So let's take example for this. So there are two types of questions that can be asked related to the color coding of the resistors. The first type of question is finding the bands, means color of the band you have to find out. Suppose there is a question, a carbon resistor of 47 kilo ohm is to be marked with rings of different color bands. It has a tolerance of plus minus 20%. Write the required colors. Now in this question we are getting 47 kilo ohm. What does it mean? 47 kilo ohm should be converted into ohm. So kilo means 10 to power 3. So 47 into 10 to power 3 ohm. This will be the value of in the form of SI unit of the resistor. 47 into 10 to power 3 ohm. Now we will see our table. The first color indicate the first band. First number indicate the first band. So first band should be yellow. See, the value of yellow is 4. So first will be yellow. 7 is for violet. Then next color will be violet. And now the third color, for third color there is multiplier sign. I already explained you that after AB there should be the multiplication of C, and the C is the multiplier or third band. So for third band the power is 10 to power 3. So see here, the power is 10 to power 3 is for which color? It is for orange. So the third color is orange, and because there is absence of fourth color, so for that we will use plus minus 20%. So this plus minus 20% indicates that the fourth band or there is absence of fourth color or no color will be there. So the real value of this resistor will be 47 into 10 to power 3 plus minus 20%. 47 into 10 to power 3 ohm plus minus 20%. This will be the value, and according to the question the color band was asked, so it will be yellow. First color will be yellow, second will be violet, third will be orange. So this is the solution of this type of question based on the coding. Now second type of question is the direct question, in which the resistor is given. This is first color is red, second is violet, third is orange. This is given. Now you have to find out the value of this resistor. How you can find the value of this resistor? Again, after observing this table, for red color, means first band is red, so we have to see red color. For red color, the number is 2, so we will write 2. 2 is for first color or first band. Next, violet. See the violet in the table. Violet is 7, so it will be 7. This is our small e, this is small b, as I have given the formula based on this. Small a into small a, small b into, because C is the multiplier, the third color will be multiplier, and here the multiplier is orange. See the orange, and for orange we will see the multiplier. It will be 10 to power 3. So into 10 to power 3. 10 to power 3 indicates orange. So this is C. And there is absence of fourth color or fourth band in this. So it will be plus minus 20%. So the value of this resistor will be 27 into 10 to power 3 ohm plus minus 20%. So this is the way in which we are able to find out the value of the color, the value of the resistance according to the color which is printed on the carbon resistor, or the value of the resistor is given, and if the color band is asked, then also you have to see this table. In both the cases you have to take the aid of this table. That's why it is very important to remember this table according to this given code of B.B. Roy. Now I am giving another question to find the code. So solve it by yourself. आप अपने मोबाइल को पॉज करके सॉल्व करेंगे, उसके बाद फिर उसको प्ले करके देखेंगे कि करेक्ट हुआ कि नहीं. सपोज द सीक्वेंस ऑफ बैंड्स आर ग्रीन, रेड, green, gold. Then find the value of resistors. So according to this question, find the value of the resistor. First color is green, second is red, third again green, and here the fourth is, means for tolerance we are using fourth, it is gold. So find this. Now I hope that you have calculated this. The first color is green, second is red, third is green, and fourth is gold. See the table. For green to be the first color, the code is 5, so it will be 5. According to formula, it is small a. Next, second color is red. For red it is 2, so write down 2 under red, it is small b. Now multiplier color is again green. For green, see the multiplier in the table, it is 10 to power 5, so we will write into 10 to power 5. So this will be C into C, and what will be D? Plus minus D. and D will be in percentage. So for gold, see, it will be 5%. It will be 5% plus minus 5%. So this will be plus minus 5%. In this way, we will get 52 into 10 to the power 5 plus minus 5% as the value of the resistor. Let's take another example. Suppose if the color is given as green, I am taking this example identical to this above example so that you may understand this. So green, red, and suppose in the previous question the third place was of green. So suppose if we get gold on third place, then what will be the value of resistor? So again, if we observe our table, for green it is 5, which is small a. For red it is 2, small b, and the third is multiplier, and we are observing the third place as gold. So if we get gold in third place, then it will be 10 to the power minus 1 only. So the multiplier will be 10 to the power minus 1. This will be in place of C, because gold will act as multiplier because its position is third position, and if the gold is in fourth position, then only it will be plus minus 5%. Similarly, it is for silver also. If we get silver as third color in any resistance, then this 10 to the power minus 2 will be multiplied to AB. AB means first and second color. A is first color, A is the value of first color, B is the value of second color, and this first and second color will be multiplied to 10 to the power minus 2 in case we are getting silver as the third band of the resistor. And if we get silver as fourth band, then only it will be in the form of tolerance plus minus 10%. Otherwise, if gold and silver comes in as third band, then plus minus we will not use for gold and silver. We will use the gold and silver as the multiplier of the resistor. For gold it will be 10 to the power minus 1, and for silver it will be 10 to the power minus 2. I hope with these two examples you have understood this. Thank you very much for watching this video.